Hey guys, welcome back. And have you ever searched for a Forex broker and then you found out, well, they have multiple websites all with the same name? Listen, that's like a Forex maze. And what does it really mean? Well, here's the thing. Many traders, they mistakenly believe that they're dealing with a reputable broker. But sadly, they're falling in the hands of sort of clever scammers. And I'm going to teach you how to identify these sneaky brokers and how you can avoid their deceptive websites. The name game. Can you even guess how many clone brokers there are out there? Actually, drop your guess in the comments below. I'm curious to see what you really think. But yeah, let's take this broker, FXTM. As an example, they're a well-respected broker, right? However, at least 4 of their websites are claiming to be the FXTM approved website. Well, these websites, they can even be very convincing. Oh no! But which one is the real deal? Well, let me introduce you to Wikifx, the go-to platform for all things Forex. So, best thing you got to do is just go to Wikifx, type in the broker's name, and here's the best part. Finding the authentic website of the correct broker, like FXTM, that's as simple as one click. I know some of you might say, how can you be sure that it's the genuine broker? Maybe you'll just scam us like the rest of them. But that's the thing, we know what we're doing. We've been in the game for how many years now, and it all comes down to the broker's score. We take our time to make the right score for each broker. So choose a broker with a high score, and you'll sail through the calm waters, far away from those clone brokers. You can even see at the end of the broker's name whether they are regulated, which indicates if they're a genuine broker. Or if you're looking for others, you might see that sometimes they'll say no regulation or suspicious clone. We want to make sure that you stay safe out there, traders. So here's the thing. With Wikifx, every link that we provide guarantees the authenticity of the regulated broker's official website. We want to make sure you're not getting scammed. That's our job, right? So using Wikifx, you'll discover ratings on various brokers with their license and their validations, real user reviews, and you can even check out their risk levels. So Wikifx even has an exclusive feature to detect these clone brokers and their sketchy websites. No more stepping into the unknown territory and you can't get blindsided, right? Well, knowledge is power, and here's my knowledge, my friends. So remember this, traders. In the financial world, safety is key. And if you don't already know, the Forex market is rife with these scammers and those who are trying to prey on the unsuspecting investors. So, by using Wikifx to find these legitimate brokers, you can avoid these clone websites. You can protect yourself from those crafty imposters out there. And with Wikifx's powerful tools, well, now you're equipped to spot these sneaky clone brokers from a mile away. So stay informed, and as always, stay safe out there, traders.